Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all fine. Today is very good day with a GPUSD. Okay, so I will tell you something for the secret. What happened today is happening today. GPUSD the totally trend is sale, but they start for the retracement. That's why it will go a little bit more up. So we need. Don't worry, it will come down again. Who trade with eyes give you a quick signal today? Who trading? Someone trade?
Yes, I did.
You gain something, brother?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. I actually used the concept of a trading stop loss, so it retraced back into a sell. So then it got me out of the market in profit though.
Okay, mashallah, very good. How much the profit you gain?
I think it's 2 cents or so,
Sorry,
not much. I get 82 cents or so, not much.
82 cent. Okay.
Yeah.
The secret key. What happened? See, when I give you quick signal, okay, my quick signal means is totally scalping. When I say the quick signal GBP buy, so it means GBP USD little bit moving up, at least 20 pips and the 10 pips, according to fundamental. Now the fundamental morning, I will tell you because it's very useful for you. See this news: composite PMI, manufacturing PMI, services PI. These three are positive. Okay, but the USD, when the continuing jobless claim and the initial jobless claim is negative. So it means USD little bit showing to power. They distract your mind for the buyers and the sellers and then came down again. You get it?
Yes.
So same thing is happened because I saw for the psychological thing is I check it. They touch this bar and going down. It's not easy. If I am a trader and I'm a market capper, so I just distract to all people, to all seller or buyer to distract this thing, the market going to sell. So everyone came to sell. Then suddenly I change my direction. I change my greatest cap for the buying zone. So who is open the sale point, he lose money and the buyer is a gain money. So same thing is happen when the market going down, everyone think, oh, it's going to down. We are close to my sale and open the buy. But when they increase the buy, market again come to sell. So they distract you. But the right key is if you have a perfect direction and you have a perfect pitching, so you can understand they are going to buy or sell. So right now they are for the my thinking, it will come here. At least here it will come to 1.2256 and 1.22650. That's why I'm say when the market break 500 you can buy, and who is buy it, they are profit. But market came again to sell. If someone has the sale position, so you can hold it, but you can make some small amount for the buy thing. That's why I'm giving to signal GBP USD buy, because today GBP have a power and USD lose the power. Why? Because the USD dollar is collapsing. You see,
Yeah. Hey, Nick, nothing now.
See, this way only distract you for the close to buyer to sell position. They lose some money, but it will come down again. There is spot is here. This is one support and there is resistance. So if market dollar came here, so GBP USD automatically reach here, but they are for the USD need to retrace, so it will complete the retrace here and they again going up. And the same thing JP happen when they touch here, it will come down again here. AUDSD you can see is totally distract to everyone. Everyone have so buy, but they are coming to sell again. So I'm ready my sale position again. When they touch break this point, I will open my sale more. And inshallah, I hope it will come down again. Same Euro USD is going very perfectly. You can see the right now they are coming to sell zone. They are also make triple top. Now it will come down again. So all pairs down again, just distract you for the buyers. Who is a smart seller, they are holding the sale position. Any confusion?
None at all.
It's helpful for you. Someone says,
Yeah, yes. Yeah, yeah,
because
it is helpful.
yeah, if you because I am a teacher for you, so I need to worry about your capital also and teach you if you have a wrong direction. So is it really wrong or not? Some people are thinking I'm wrong direction, so they close the trade for the negative purpose, but it's not good. If you are going to wrong direction, so you must check your resistance support where the market touch, it will come back. This is the main thing. Yes, Ajit you need because Ajit is I think knowledgeable person. They also are good trader. They are showing to screen and they have own indicators. They are trading like this. Very good. They are trade with moving average. So you have any questions? So you can ask me.
Okay, about they are still going to come down. You've explained. How about GBP JPY? Is it still going
GPJPY.
to come down? Same. Yes.
GPJPY there is. They also push again for the buy and come with down again. Why? Because if you check the USD JPY, they are crossing to USD. USD pushing to JPY going down. So it will happen if JBP have a not powerful right now. They are came down again because there are also price support is there. This is daily support and this is a price support. The black one, the 1132 is a price support level. It will touch this and come down again. You can see my screen
Okay.
easily.
Yes, I can.
So right now they are still in channel. If they break this channel, so we need to worry about for the sale position. But right now is okay, it's fine, it's going to down. Maybe it will touch here, it will touch again more up because I'm not using stop loss, I told you before.
Mm-hmm.
because I know my price level value, I understand everything. So that's why my students, I will tell, I am not using the stop loss seriously. I have a capital, I proper do the risk management. When the market come my favor, I will open up big lots. Okay, any more question?
Sorry, you mentioned the USD JPY too. Same thing applies to the USD JPY as it applies to the GBP JPY.
Very good question. If it will down again, the USD JPY down, what is the why I'm saying? How many people knows how they pair working? USD is your major currency, JPY is your against currency. If you are buy USD JPY, so it means you are buying USD against JPY. Okay. And if you are sell, so it means you are giving to USD and buy JPY. This is theory, how the market working. For example, if you put
Okay.
sale, if you put the sale, so it means you are giving to USD me and take my JPY you. I will give you. You are borrow me JPY against for the USD. After few months and after 1 week, the USD have a rising. So you give me a back my JPY and take USD more than you give me before. So same thing is happen right now. If USD weak, JPY going up, so GBP also going down because they are pushing to USD. USD is the father of currencies.
Okay.
So the cross pair, the simple theory is, for example, I will tell very easily more. SD is a godfather, for example, right now. Okay, and we are for other currencies. Whatever we are powerful economy, I am a powerful. We are for our warriors, but my leader is SG. But if we are four together, so SG can't fight with me because we are four together. But if we are fight single person, so SG easily win. So now we have a ranking. Me have a 1 rank, Rail have a 2 rank, Florence have a 3 rank, and Olive have a 4 rank. If 1 rank is a very powerful, okay. Me, for example, is very powerful. Olive tried to push SG down, so it means we are three already have a power because you are very low power, but you can easily push down to SG. Did you get my point?
Yes, sure. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Because you are easily pushed down for the SG. So it means SG don't have a power because we are four warrior and very lower warrior is you. And lower warrior fight with strong warrior. So it means the strong warrior is not much strong. So we easily three rising. So same thing is happen if JPY is very low currency, but when they pushing down for the USD, so it means all currencies are rising start again.
Okay.
How much they rising? Nobody knows, but it will rise. 10 pace, 15 pace, 20 pace, it will rise. Michael, can you mute your mic?
I can hear you. What did you say?
You can hear me?
Yes, I can. I can. What did you say?
Okay. I say, can you mute your mic because there's too much noisy there.
Okay, sorry.
It's fine, it's fine. So right now you can see the JPY pushing down for the USD. So all pair are going up. It will go up. This also going up, and you'll almost go up. I will check the CAT JPY. See, I will check the 15-minute time color. It's very easy. These three candles you can see, and these two candles. Three
Yeah.
candles is sale, and the two candles is bullish. So it's mean when they try to pushing down, so all pairs are going to rise. All JPP pairs. But how much they are pricing, how much they're pushing, they are all totally fundamental and the price support. Because whatever price is running is not no need to worry about it. They are too much rising, they are too much selling, they are too much low, too much rising. They are not an important thing. The important thing is the price value. I thought in the ZAR, I think South Africa ZAR currency, right?
Yes, yes, that's South African's currency, I guess.
I will show you ZAR. What happened in the since few days.
Correct. It's South African rand.
Yeah, rank. See, I will check the month weekly. It's totally collapsing. See how much they rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I will check with GB previous, the same thing. 1, 2, 3. So ZAR is a very low currency. Okay. USD have a lots of power currency, so they easily pushing down ZAR. So USD going up. So same thing has happened here. The USD rising, little bit rising, but ZAR have a lots of effective because they are hot volatile currency.
Yes.
That's why the same thing has happened. Now AUD is going to down, gold also going down. If you check the gold, I really like we trade with gold. See, they invalid my pattern. I open the sale here, so I hold it. So right now I'm in profit. But when they give me a reversal candle, I open the buy here. So I hold my sale and I start with buy. So we are both in profit. Because this neckline is very powerful for the buy. So I just check it out right now. If 4-hour candle not broke this line, so I will buy it. Understand, guys?
Yes, understood.
If
Yes,
So,
someone
understood.
not
okay,
if someone not understands, so please ask me, because if you are not asking me, so I never get what you are learning and what you understand. Don't worry, don't be shy. You can ask me anything, no issue.
I don't really understand. I just joined.
Okay, you understand. Okay, I will tell you. Anyone?
I don't understand. I just joined.
Yeah, Michael, I will tell you. Just a minute.
Hello, Salem. Salem. Hello.
Yeah.
This candlestick look like an inverted teacup. Is it likely to go long subsequently?
Which one?
This one, the candlestick, the pattern,
Yeah.
is like an inverted teacup. So one will be thinking that it's subsequently going to go long.
Yeah, it will go long because they have a rising direction. They are upping direction, but they need to some retracement also. So they're trying to retracement. So how
Okay.
I can check? I will take here and the here. I will check when the 60% is complete right now. If they give me a bullish candle, see the 61%, I will cross this. 61% is there. Their rejection here.
Okay.
So I'm waiting one or two more rejection. If they give me a rejection and give me a bullish candle like this, the solid candle like
Yeah.
this, so I will open my buy.
Okay. Okay.
So this
Thank you.
means their market try to retracement and again going to up because direction is upside. Is totally understand the direction etc. So when but if I am say to everyone run you can go 15 kilometer and 20 kilometer running. So you must tired.
Okay.
You not go to running straight for the 20 kilometers. You are must rest to between the road anywhere. You are must resting. So they are try to resting here, then again going up. Now you can say they are looking for the buyers. When the buyers came, they again going up. Okay.
Today I have about 6 trades from you still running.
Sorry, I can't hear because your voice is so
Can you hear
not.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but your voice is so slow.
The network is slow.
Yeah, right now it's okay.
Okay, I said in my trade, I have 6 trades from you still running
Okay.
today. I have
Okay.
EU in blue, EN and AU, NG, NJ, GU, and EG. They are all still running.
Okay.
I hope I can still keep them till tomorrow.
Just a minute. You already in my VIP channel, na, Flor?
Yes?
You are already my VIP members, na?
I can't hear you clearly.
I say you are already my VIP members.
Yes.
Okay. So you have a computer and the mobile phone.
Yeah, I'm using phone.
Okay. So you trade also phone on the computer.
I'm using phone. I'm using phone. Phone.
Okay.
Two
Okay.
phones now. I'm using one phone for the Zoom call, and I'm using another phone for trade. So I can see my trade, and I'm actually trying to put.
Okay. Okay. So you are asking me what I today give the signals. They are, I think, right now
Yes,
some
whether I can
positive
still keep
and
the trade,
okay.
the trades.
Yeah, because right now they have a big news is came for the initial. I will tell you. Right now, this news is came for the initial job. They are negative. So they try to
Okay.
distract to all currencies to the trend.
Okay.
So that's why my all VIP signals is little bit going down, but they will come again to positive because right now they are trying to retracement because it's huge claiming 24 2,438K employments.
Okay.
It's 2,000 unemployments. So you can understand they a huge country have a 2,000 employ unemployment, so they have an issue. So they try to distract to all currencies, but when the market close and again open, so everything is normally. Now it's just
Okay.
effective on the fundamental.
Okay. Okay.
Did you get my point? Because fundamental effective on the chart, but they are sometimes they are going to negative, sometimes they are going to positive. They are trying to pushing for the chart.
Okay.
So that's why it will
Okay.
happen.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
if they hit your stop loss, so no need to worry. You can again gain. The
Okay.
issue is you are
Okay.
trade. But for all my
Okay.
VIP members, I don't know who is right now in that chat. When I give the
Okay.
price level, so try to trade on the same price level. Don't try to going above and the lower
Okay. 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 Okay.
because I give the signals for the price value. What price?
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
example, the 1.233 anywhere. I will tell you, explaining you.
Okay.
1721. This price level is sell. So I will tell you sell. If they're going again, they break this price, I will give you signal. Okay. But they
Okay.
if they reversal, so don't worry about it. It will come down because they already break this price. Maybe they
Okay.
will retrace, they will touch here, and they're again going down.
Okay.
Because this is
Okay.
a market now, they are not working the smoothly. They are must distract to someone because market how the market running like that. They catch your money and give him your money to another person, and they catch someone money and give you another person. They
Mm.
not give you own pocket, they give you someone money. The fight is who is a winner, who is a loser.
Yeah.
So it's up to you where you are going need to go. It's winner side and the lower side. It's totally up to you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Anyone?